Oh, you doing your makeup kit? Look at this is what Harper got for Christmas, and she's always getting into my wife's makeup kit, and it's realistic. Oh yes, let's see.
Put some lipstick on.
Oh, put the lipstick.
You gotta taste it. Watch.
Oh, how did that taste? Yum yum. I didn't realize lipstick tastes good. I wouldn't eat it. Ugh, gross. What else you got? Nail polish.
Nail polish? Here.
Wow, look at that.
Nails.
You paint mine? Here you go, paint my nails.
Here, you do mine too.
Or do mommy's.
Nails. There you go. She's using it the right way too.
Look at that.
Oh, yay. Good
Wow,
job.
look at that, Harper.
Yay.
You act like you've done this for years, and you're only 22 months. Oh, and you're putting it away?
Aw.
Wow, what about your blush or eyeshadow? Look at that. It looks so
Oh,
realistic.
wait, I think this one's blush.
Are you blushing?
Oh.
Clean up your girly mess. Most girlies don't clean up their mess. Look at your mom's, for example. Oh no, yucky.
No, we don't eat nails.
Ugh, gross. Lipstick. Ugh, just rub it. But it's really nice. I mean, it was like $30 though, but everything's realistic looking. So that is what?
That's the blush.
Blush? And doesn't have that little powder thing at the bottom? When you open it up?
I don't know. It's the powder that does. This is the powder.
So
It's the powder, the compact, and then you have the little pad down
the
here.
application pad that has smells because I put perfume on it. Oh yeah, there you go. You look so pretty.
It's 3 compartments. You just go like that.
Look at that. That's pretty amazing. I give this pretty much 5 stars out of 5. What you think, Harpy?
She plays with it every day.
Yeah? Okay. So this is the Glamour Girl Collection by Make It Up. So you get these little brushes, 2 lipsticks. One's currently traveling somewhere. You get 2 nail polishes. I don't know what that is. That actually goes to little baby, so that don't belong there. So don't go thinking y'all get that. And it looks real.
Give Daddy lipstick.